Today I am going to tell you 13 tips to level up your English and speak like a pro. So let's look into it. Number one is you must know your level. Why it's important? You can't fix what you don't know. Take a quick placement test online to know your strengths and weaknesses. Focus on the areas that challenge you, like, for example, speaking or grammar. The better you know about yourself, the faster you will improve. So, you must know your level. Number two is vocabulary. Make words work for you. It's not about cramming words, it's about using them. It's very important to learn new words in sentences, not in isolation, because in isolation it doesn't work. Use apps like Anki to practice and memorize. You must write 3 sentences for every new word you learn. So, what you're going to do is you have to learn new words in sentences and you are going to use them first and then you will start learning new words. So, you have to gradually improve your vocabulary. Number three is reading. Pronunciation meets expression. Reading aloud boosts your intonation, your pronunciation, and confidence. Choose text and stories you love and read them aloud every day. Record yourself and compare it with native speakers. Like, take out your phone and start recording and then listen to your recording and you will find out the mistakes yourself. Act like you are narrating an audiobook. So what you're gonna do is you have to read aloud, record yourself and listen it and find out the mistakes. Tip number 4 is speak frequently, no excuses. The more you speak, the less you fear. Speak more to fear less. Join any English speaking club or any buddy online to practice English. Talk to yourself about your day or narrate your actions in English. Practice shadowing or mimic native speaker word for word. Number 5 is listening. Train your ears. The more you hear, the more you understand. Watch movies or podcasts with subtitles. Challenge yourself by switching off subtitles once you are comfortable. So, what you're gonna do is you have to spend some time of the day listening to English. Number 6 is use technology, your digital ally. The world is full of tools, use them. Download apps like Duolingo to practice daily. So, what you're going to do is you have to use technology, AI. Your personal smartphone is your coach. Number 7 is watch movies, learn and chill. Movies aren't just for entertainment, they are English lessons in disguise. You can start with the movies you have already seen that makes comprehension easier for you. Try imitating the actors, it will help you to learn the intonation. You can pick up any character from the movie and start mimicking their lines. So, what you're going to do is you will watch movies and learn English language at the same time. My lovely students, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. It would be a great help to me and I really appreciate it. Number 8 is find a good teacher. A good mentor speeds up your learning journey. Look for language tutors online. There are many platforms available where you can find best teachers. If you want to learn from me, I'm also available on Preply. Attend group classes if you prefer learning with peers. Our teacher can correct your mistakes. You don't even realize you are making it. So what you're going to do is you have to find a good online teacher. Number 9 is practice writing. Writing is thinking on paper. It helps to improve your vocabulary, your grammar, your sentence structure. Start with something interesting like your daily routine, recipes, or anything you like to write. You can also write a short story and then you will read it aloud to practice more. So it will not only help you to improve your writing, but also your pronunciation and vocabulary. Number 10 is immerse yourself. Make English your word. Surround yourself with English even when you are not learning. Change your phone and social media settings to English. Watch English news daily on YouTube and start thinking in English. It's a game changer. So, what you're going to do is you have to surround yourself with English even when you are not studying or learning. Number 11 is set your goals. You must know about your destination. Goals give you direction and purpose. You must be very realistic in setting your goals. Like, for example, 10 words daily or 20 words in 3 days. First, practice these words and then you will learn new words. So, you have to break down your goals into smaller parts. Progress, not perfection, must be the goal. So you don't go for perfection, you have to practice it. You have to be very consistent about learning and achieving your goals. Number 12 is focus on pronunciation. Be heard clearly. It's not about sounding perfect, it's about being understood. Practice slow, clear speaking before speeding up. Record and replay to notice subtle improvements. And tip number 13 is be consistent, and it's a secret sauce. Little steps daily lead to a big progress over time. Dedicate 15 minutes daily to English rather than cramming it for hours. Review old material to make sure you don't forget. So, the key to mastery is showing up every day. And the last advice I'm going to give you, you must know for what purpose you are going to learn English, where you are going to use English, so that you will set your goals accordingly. So, my lovely students, let's have a recap of how you will improve your English in 2025. Step number one is you must know your level. Number two, vocabulary. 3. Reading. 4. Speak frequently. 5. Listening. 6. Use technology. 7. Watch movies. 8. Find a good teacher. 9. Practice writing. 10. Immerse yourself. 11. Set clear goals. 12. Focus on pronunciation. And number 13. Be consistent. So I hope you like all these points and you will going to improve your English in 2025. If you want me to make a video on some particular topic, please let me know. See you in the next video.